So hi everyone, it's me Persig again, and for today's video is another day and it's a good day. So thank you Lord for another day na po sa among life. And today is aabangan ko po yung aking asawa kasi galing siyang work and excited ako kapag umuwi na siya, no? So yan yung aking asawa, palakad-lakad, ayan. Palakad-lakad. Tumakbo pala. Ayan, so and then, isa sa magandang tanawin ay yung makita natin yung dumadaan yung eroplano. Yan, kaunting kaligalayahan lang po talaga yung ating ma-experience ng bata kami kapag may airplane is tatakbo kami sa labas, no? So again, thank you so much everyone. Ingat lagi and God bless.